Siana, who's going to give you a nice little story, a heartwarming story about a little girl. Toastmaster Siana, Toastmaster Siana, Honey Bunny Bus. Toastmaster Siana, Honey Bunny Bus. The request Toastmaster Bhushan would be evaluating the speech to please read out her objectives.
The speaker is attempting Project 6. The objectives are: use voice volume, pitch, rate, and quality to reflect and add meaning and interest to your message. Use pauses to enhance your message. Use vocal variety smoothly and natural. Time 5 to 7 minutes.
A very good morning, Mr. Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, and all you guests gathered here. Today I'm going to tell you a story. Honey Bunny Buzz. Early Sunday morning at 7 a.m., the seasoned chef Monica walked towards her bakery, Honey Bunny Buzz. As she walked, she remembered her childhood days. As a child, she often visited the bakery with her dad. She had inherited this bakery from her dad, and it was her dad who taught her how to bake cakes and decorate them. Her dad was known for the best and the most beautiful cakes in town. Monica was strong and confident. She was an expert in everything she did, especially baking. She could bake everything perfectly, from cakes to cupcakes to pastries. As she walked towards the bakery, around the corner, she saw a man waiting to visit the bakery. Are you not open on Sundays? Yes, of course we are. Let me just find my keys. Right behind comes her baking assistant and close friend, Nina. Being in a hurry, Nina did not notice the visitor from before. Hey Monica, how are you? Hey Nina, come, I need some help in the back kitchen. They walked towards the back kitchen. They began preparing cakes, some wedding cakes, some cupcakes, some pastries. Nina walks out with the cake to keep it at the display desk. But no sooner she notices the visitor from before, she rushed back with the cake. Monica, do you know who's that visitor? It is the critic from the New York Times. What? You mean Mr. John Smith? Let me go out and take his order quickly. Nina walked out and asked the visitor what would he like to have. Give me the best you have. Surprise me with something new and different. Monica was scared. She wondered and spoke about it to Nina. Nina, what should we give him? He said, I should surprise him. Should we give him the orange chocolate cake or the apple with cinnamon pie? I'm so stressed. Don't worry, Monica. Let's just relax and think what we can do. Nina walked towards the basement and returned back with an old piece of paper and handed it to Monica. Monica seen the paper. She recognized it. It was her dad's bestseller. On the paper was a recipe of Honey Bunny Buzz chocolate chip cake. She had never tried this before. She wondered, should she take the chance? Would it be worth it? However, it would take some time. She thought, let me ask the visitor. He was willing to wait. She went out and asked the visitor if he was willing to wait. Of course, I would if I can get something good. Was his reply. Nina and Monica worked harder than before to get this special one done. They followed the recipe step by step, mixing in flour, butter, eggs, chocolate chips, and yes, the special ingredient. As they began preparing the mixture, Nina was busy forming the decoration of the cake. They set the mixture for baking. Within no time, the cake was ready. They covered it with the chocolate mixture on top and began decorating it beautifully. She went out and gave and presented the cake to the visitor, the critic. And as she walked out with the cake, the visitor waited excitedly. And no sooner she placed it into his hand, he took a spoon and smelled it. The aroma itself was enough for him to know that this was going to be something excellent. When he tasted it, the special ingredient, the flavors of the special ingredient exploded on his tongue, and he enjoyed every bit of the cake. Honey it was. Though honey and sugar have similar caloric content, honey has a lot more nutrients and is comparatively less processed. Honey also keeps the cake fresh and moist for longer periods. The visitor did not mention much to Monica. He only told her, check the New York Times paper the next day. The next morning, Monica and Nina eagerly waited for the paper boy to arrive. They were anxious to know what was in store. No sooner the paperman arrived, they ripped the paper out of his hand and opened the page of the critic. It stated, Honey Bunny Buzz was a surprising bakery. When I visited, I expected it to be just like any normal bakery, but the stuff out there was really excellent. The cake I tasted out there was a delightful piece of heaven. And praise doesn't come naturally to me. So I must say that I give them a 5-star. Written by critic John Smith. That day, Monica and Nina realized an important lesson in their life. Never hesitate to try something new. You don't know what might work out for you. That was not the zenith of their career, but it was surely the first step of a long journey.